Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix camera not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to tap on your camera and this option will appear. Now tap on this and here you will see camera app info. Scroll down and go to storage. From here you will see cache option. Tap on clear cache. Now close this window and go to your camera. Now, as you can see, the camera is working absolutely fine. But if you are still facing this problem, then maybe it is a storage problem. So, to resolve this problem, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to device care. From here, tap on storage. It will take few seconds. Now, as you can see, I have enough storage left. But if you don't have storage, then from here, uninstall unused apps, duplicate files or large files so that the pictures you capture from your camera can be saved. And the third option is go to your dialer and here type *#0*#. Now this menu will appear. Tap on camera and from here, as you can see, our camera is working absolutely fine. But if your camera is still not working here, that means you have a hardware problem. So I recommend you to go to your nearest service center and check your mobile. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.